Hello, James Waldridge from the Fleet Safety Academy with another Fleet Risk Management Nugget for you. Last week I delivered a webinar to a number of large fleet operators, and one of the poll questions asked if they had a Fleet Risk Management Steering Group. It was a 50-50 split. Of over 100 organisations on the webinar, half of them didn't have a team that meets on a regular basis to discuss fleet risk management. Setting up a committee like this is a really powerful tool for moving forward a management system for collision prevention. It should form part of your process of getting organised and setting policies for fleet safety. If you'd like to know more on that process, please see video number 7 on my Fleet Safety Academy YouTube channel. When you're setting up a group, you need a senior manager to be chairperson, and the members of the group should represent different parts of the organisation and different functions such as fleet management, HR management, health and safety management, and operations management. You should also have at least one representative of the employees who drive on a daily basis for work purposes. Meet regularly, maybe every quarter, review claim statistics and the other metrics you decide to focus on. This could be collision frequency, telematics data, training days delivered. A balanced scorecard can work really well. When the data is being reviewed, new collision prevention strategies can be developed and plans can be made for implementing those strategies. The members of the group can then work on implementing new procedures and report back on what's been successful at the next meeting. A few tips to get the most out of your meetings include: number 1, ensure that the group's activities aren't duplicated anywhere else in your organisation. Number 2, agree on the remit and rules of the group. Number 3, create a formal agenda and circulate information so members can prepare, but remember that claims information will need to be kept confidential. Number 4, keep minutes, agree actions and set delivery timescales. And number 5, use the group to resolve fleet safety queries, identify trends in collision causation and develop preventative strategies. I have a guidance document on setting up a fleet risk management steering group. If you would like a copy, please get in touch at james@fleetsafetyacademy.co.uk. Thank you.